Do you ever wonder if there's a simple yet powerful way to attract wealth and prosperity into your life? What if the key to abundance was as simple as writing 3 specific words on your hand? In this video, we'll explore this intriguing practice rooted in Buddhist teachings. By the end, you'll understand how these words can transform your mindset and attract wealth instantly. Stay with us as we reveal these powerful words and how to use them. The power of words in Buddhism. In Buddhism, words are considered immensely powerful. They are not just means of communication, but tools that can shape our reality. The teachings of Buddhism highlight the importance of mantras and chants, which are repeated to invoke spiritual energy and bring about positive change. But why are words so powerful? Words have the ability to influence our thoughts, emotions, and energy. They can uplift us, inspire us, and even transform our lives. The right words, when used with intention, can align our minds and spirits with the principles of abundance and prosperity. This concept is deeply rooted in Buddhist practice, where the repetition of sacred words or phrases, known as mantras, is a common practice to focus the mind and bring about desired outcomes. One famous example is the mantra Om Mani Padme Hum, which is believed to bring compassion, peace, and enlightenment to those who chant it. This demonstrates the profound impact that words can have on our spiritual journey. By writing specific words on your hand, you create a constant reminder of your intentions. This practice not only keeps you focused on your goals, but also channels your energy towards achieving them. It's a simple yet powerful way to harness the energy of words and align your actions with the principles of wealth and prosperity. In the next chapters, we will reveal the 3 powerful words that can help you attract wealth instantly. Each word is chosen for its significance and impact, rooted in Buddhist teachings. Let's begin with the first word. The first word, abundance. The first word to write on your hand is abundance. In Buddhist teachings, abundance goes beyond material wealth. It encompasses a state of mind and being that attracts prosperity in all areas of life. But why is this word so powerful, and how can it help you attract wealth? Abundance is the opposite of scarcity. When you focus on abundance, you shift your mindset from one of lack and limitation to one of possibility and prosperity. This shift in mindset is crucial because our thoughts and beliefs shape our reality. By embracing abundance, you open yourself up to new opportunities and attract positive energy. In Buddhism, the concept of abundance is closely tied to the practice of generosity and non-attachment. Generosity is seen as a virtue that brings great merit and leads to a prosperous life. When you give freely and without attachment, you create a flow of positive energy that returns to you in various forms, including wealth. Writing the word abundance on your hand serves as a constant reminder to focus on the positive aspects of your life and the limitless possibilities that surround you. Every time you look at your hand, you reinforce the belief that you are surrounded by abundance. This mental shift helps you attract wealth and prosperity. Here are some practical tips to incorporate the word abundance into your daily life. 1. Daily affirmations. Start your day by repeating the affirmation, I am surrounded by abundance. I attract wealth and prosperity effortlessly. This sets a positive tone for the day. 2. Mindful giving. Practice generosity in small ways, whether it's donating to charity, helping a friend, or sharing your resources. Remember, the energy you give out comes back to you. 3. Visualization. Take a few minutes each day to visualize a life filled with abundance. Imagine the opportunities, wealth, and prosperity flowing into your life. Feel the joy and gratitude as if it's already happening. By focusing on abundance, you align your thoughts and actions with the energy of wealth and prosperity. This simple practice can bring about profound changes in your life. In the next chapter, we will reveal the second powerful word that complements this practice and further attracts wealth. The second word, gratitude. The second word to write on your hand is gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful practice in Buddhism and is considered essential for attracting wealth and happiness. But why is gratitude so impactful, and how can it help you attract wealth? Gratitude shifts your focus from what you lack to what you have. This shift in perspective is crucial because it cultivates a mindset of abundance rather than scarcity. When you are grateful, you recognize and appreciate the wealth already present in your life, which in turn attracts more of it. This is aligned with the law of attraction, where like attracts like. In Buddhism, gratitude is seen as a form of mindfulness. By being grateful, you become more aware of the present moment and the blessings it holds. This awareness fosters a positive outlook on life, which is essential for attracting prosperity. Writing the word gratitude on your hand serves as a constant reminder to appreciate the good things in your life. Each time you see it, you are prompted to acknowledge your blessings and express thanks. This practice can transform your energy and outlook, making you more receptive to wealth and abundance. Here are some practical tips to incorporate the word gratitude into your daily life. 1. Gratitude journal. Keep a journal where you write down 3 things you are grateful for each day. This simple practice helps you focus on the positive aspects of your life. 2. Gratitude meditation. Spend a few minutes each day meditating on the things you are grateful for. Visualize them clearly and feel the gratitude in your heart. 3. Expressing thanks. Make it a habit to express gratitude to others. Whether it's a simple thank you note or a verbal acknowledgement, expressing gratitude strengthens your relationships and creates a positive environment. By focusing on gratitude, you align yourself with the energy of abundance. This practice opens your heart to receiving more blessings and wealth. In the next chapter, we will reveal the 3rd powerful word that complements gratitude and further enhances your ability to attract wealth. The 3rd word, compassion. The 3rd word to write on your hand is compassion. Compassion is a fundamental principle in Buddhism and plays a significant role in attracting wealth and prosperity. But how does compassion relate to wealth, and why is it so powerful? Compassion involves understanding and empathizing with the suffering of others and taking action to alleviate it. This practice creates positive karma, which is believed to bring about good fortune and prosperity. By cultivating compassion, you align yourself with the universal energy of kindness and generosity. In Buddhism, compassion is seen as a path to enlightenment. When you act with compassion, you create a ripple effect of positive energy that benefits not only those around you, but also yourself. This positive energy attracts wealth and prosperity into your life as the universe responds to your acts of kindness. Writing the word compassion on your hand serves as a reminder to act with kindness and empathy in all your interactions. Each time you see it, you are encouraged to approach situations and people with a compassionate heart. This practice can transform your relationships and your life, making you a magnet for positive energy and wealth. Here are some practical tips to incorporate the word compassion into your daily life. 1. Acts of kindness. Make it a point to perform small acts of kindness each day, whether it's helping someone in need, offering a kind word, or volunteering your time. These actions create positive karma. 2. Compassionate listening. Practice active listening with empathy and understanding. This strengthens your connections with others and creates a supportive environment. 3. Self-compassion. Don't forget to be compassionate towards yourself. Treat yourself with the same kindness and understanding that you offer to others. This creates a balanced and positive energy that attracts abundance. By focusing on compassion, you cultivate a generous spirit that attracts wealth and prosperity. This practice not only enhances your life, but also the lives of those around you. In the next chapter, we will discuss how to use these 3 powerful words to manifest wealth and prosperity. How to use the words. Now that we've revealed the 3 powerful words, abundance, gratitude, and compassion, It's time to learn how to use them effectively to attract wealth. Writing these words on your hand is a simple yet profound practice that serves as a constant reminder of your intentions. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. 1. Choose a pen. Select a pen that is comfortable to write with and easily visible on your skin. You may prefer a non-toxic, skin-friendly ink. 2. Write the words. In the morning, write the words abundance, gratitude, compassion on the palm of your hand or wrist. These areas are easily visible throughout the day, reminding you of your intentions. 3. Set an intention. As you write each word, take a moment to set a clear intention. For example, while writing abundance, visualize the prosperity you wish to attract. While writing gratitude, think of things you are thankful for. While writing compassion, imagine acts of kindness you can perform. 4. Mindful moments. Throughout the day, whenever you see the words, pause for a moment to reflect on their meaning and your intentions. This reinforces your focus and aligns your actions with these principles. 5. Evening reflection. At the end of the day, take a few minutes to reflect on how these words influenced your actions and thoughts. This practice helps you internalize the principles and make them a natural part of your life. In addition to writing the words on your hand, you can amplify their effect with complementary practices. 1. Meditation. Spend a few minutes each day meditating on each word. Visualize how abundance, gratitude, and compassion manifest in your life. 2. Visualization. Create a vision board with images and words that represent abundance, gratitude, and compassion. Place it somewhere you can see daily to reinforce your intentions. 3. Affirmations. Use positive affirmations that incorporate these words. For example, I am surrounded by abundance. I am grateful for all my blessings, and I act with compassion in all that I do. By integrating these words into your daily routine, you harness their power to attract wealth and prosperity. These practices, rooted in Buddhist teachings, help you align your thoughts and actions with positive energy, paving the way for a more prosperous life. Real-life examples and success stories. To truly understand the power of writing abundance, gratitude, and compassion on your hand, let's explore some real-life examples and success stories. These individuals have embraced this practice and witnessed remarkable transformations in their lives. Meet Sarah, a small business owner who struggled to make ends meet. She felt overwhelmed by financial stress and was unsure how to turn her situation around. Inspired by Buddhist teachings, Sarah decided to write the words abundance, gratitude, and compassion on her hand each day. She began practicing daily affirmations and meditation, focusing on these powerful words. Within a few weeks, Sarah noticed a shift in her mindset. She felt more positive and motivated, which translated into better decision-making for her business. Gradually, her business started to grow, and she experienced a steady increase in revenue. Sarah attributes this transformation to the practice of focusing on these 3 words and aligning her actions with their energy. Another inspiring story is that of John, a teacher who struggled with feeling undervalued and overworked. John started writing abundance, gratitude, and compassion on his hand each morning. He practiced gratitude by acknowledging the positive aspects of his job and showing compassion to his students and colleagues. This shift in perspective changed his outlook on life. John's renewed positive energy began to influence those around him, creating a more harmonious work environment. His efforts were recognized, leading to a promotion and a raise. John believes that the practice of writing these words on his hand played a significant role in his personal and professional growth. Then there's Lisa, a stay-at-home mother who felt isolated and overwhelmed by her daily responsibilities. She decided to try writing abundance, gratitude, and compassion on her hand to see if it could bring a positive change. Lisa began to practice mindful giving, expressing gratitude for small blessings, and showing compassion to herself and her family. Over time, Lisa noticed a profound change in her emotional well-being. She felt more connected to her family, found joy in her daily tasks, and attracted new opportunities for personal growth and financial support. Lisa credits this transformation to the consistent practice of focusing on these three powerful words. These stories illustrate how integrating abundance, gratitude, and compassion into your daily life can lead to significant positive changes. By writing these words on your hand, you create a tangible reminder of your intentions, aligning your thoughts and actions with the energy of wealth and prosperity. This practice, grounded in Buddhist teachings, has the potential to transform your life, just as it did for Sarah, John, and Lisa. We encourage you to try this practice and see how it impacts your life. Share your experiences with us in the comments. Now, let's summarize the key points and wrap up our journey. Conclusion. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. We've explored the significance of words in Buddhism and how writing abundance, gratitude, and compassion on your hand can attract wealth and prosperity. These words, deeply rooted in Buddhist teachings, have the power to transform your mindset and energy, opening the doors to abundance. By focusing on abundance, you shift your mindset from scarcity to prosperity, attracting positive opportunities. With gratitude, you acknowledge the wealth already present in your life, fostering a positive outlook. And through compassion, you create positive karma and align yourself with the universal energy of kindness and generosity. We would love to hear from you in the comments. Have you tried this practice? What changes have you noticed in your life? Share your experiences and thoughts with us. Your stories can inspire others on their journey to attracting wealth and happiness. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insights on enhancing your well-being through the wisdom of Buddhist teachings. Remember, attracting wealth begins with the right mindset and intentions. May you find peace and prosperity in every aspect of your life.